Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Pratama. In here I present a presentation about the duplication categories found in Yayasan Lontas Anthology of Indonesia Short Story. Author Nusarini from Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University Indonesia Yogyakarta. First, abstract. This research aims to describe words category in the reduplication. The type of the research was describes qualitative research. The data of this research were the sentence contain reduplication of words. The source of the data anthology of Indonesia short story selected by Yayasan Lontar, which was published in 2017. Data collection method use the research free talk, listening method, and not talking method. Data analysis method used in the research was distributional method with deletion technique, while informal method was used in presenting the result based on the result of data analysis. It can be reported the word duplicity found in Anthology of Indonesia Short Story by Yayasan Lone consists of word duplication categories. The category includes nominal word multiplication, verbal word multiplication, adjectival word multiplication, adverbial word multiplication, and conjunctive word multiplication. Introduction: as social creators, humans need other people to work together and solve problems. To the use speech. Speech can be a sentence or other forms of language. A sentence can consist of units, grammatical or classical unit, or a parse is in this book Camus Language. The definition of words as word morpheme are a combination of morpheme which by linguistics correls in the smallest unit that can be freely spoken, and to a linguistic unit that can stand by itself by a single morpheme or by a combination of morphemes. Analysis from its form. A word can be a fake verb reduplication or a plural of word. An affix word is formed by addition of affix. Word reduplication is formed by many word reduplication are found. For more detail, pay attention to this example. Dengan sedih hati, maka anak muda ini lalu meraba-laba saku bajunya untuk mengambil dompet uang. And karya-karya sastra dan Melayu rendah umumnya menampilkan cita-cita yang melodramatik yang diserap dari peristiwa semasa atau yang lebih lampau. The research theoretically contribute to the field of linguistics, particularly morphology, that is related to word. This research theoretically is contributed to the field of linguistics, particularly morphology, that is related to word. Reduplication, which consists of word class of the meanings. This research practically helps speakers to use word reduplication more correctly. Moreover, this research is useful to Indonesia teachers because it can be used as reference when teaching about words. Definition as word is one morpheme or a combination of morphemes. Which bilingual scholars consider as the smallest unit can be spoken freely too. A linguistic unit can stand by itself by a single morpheme, example batu, rumah, dating, and then or a combination or movement, example pejuang, mengikuti, Pancasila, Mahkuasa. 3. The smallest unit in the sentence which come from the lexeme, the has experienced morphological process. A word is the small from free form like Surono. Ramlan also definisi as word as the smallest free form. Are in their words, every free form is a word. Word reduplication in campus linguistics. A word reduplication is defined as a word as a result of the reduplication process, like rumah-rumah, tetamu, dak-dikduk, like Krida Laksana. Ramlan also described a word reduplication as a result of reduplication process. While the reduplication unit is a basic word For example, the word reduplication rumah-rumah comes from the basic word rumah. The word reduplication perumahan comes from the basic word perumahan. Berjalan-jalan comes from berjalan, and bolak-balik is formed by the basic word balik. A word reduplication is a creation process of derivative words by reduplicating their basic words. And this creation process can be done by one fully reduplicating a basic word. For example, the word duduk becomes duduk to partial reduplication of basic word. For example, the word tertawa becomes tertawa-tawa. 3. Reduplication with various forms. Reduplikasi a basic word with a different form. For example, serba becomes serba-serbi. For a fixed combinate reduplication. For example, the word rumah becomes rumah-rumahan. 5. Progressive reduplication. Reduplication of basic word to the right side. For example, berjalan becomes berjalan-jalan. 6. Regressive reduplication. Reduplication on basic word to the left side. For example, the word tolong becomes tolong menolong. Okay, and then result and discussion. Based on the result data, word reduplication class of nominal, verbal, adjectival, adverbial, and conjunctive are found. 1. Nominal class word reduplication. Sedikit hati murid-murid terbuka juga padanya. Tuh, matanya melihatkan dengan tidak habis-habis pada tinggalnya orang-orang yang sama mencari tempat itu. 3. Ada kebiasaan lain di pesantren di samping pengajian-pengajian umum yang kerap juga diadakan marhaban dan kesidahan. 2. Verbal class word reduplication. 4. Dengan menggenggam-genggam tangannya tanda kemarahan, pergilah ia dari situ dan berjalan terus. 5. Diamat-amatinya anak itu dengan teliti perangkaiannya kalau ada sifat bapaknya yang tidak baik. And then 6. Karena jengkelnya maka ia lalu mencari-cari gambar karikatur. A discussion word reduplication can also be understood by each word class. 5 word class are found in the research data, which are nominal, verbal, adjective, adverbial, and conjunctive. 1. Nominal class word reduplication. Nominal, which is often called noun, object, and concept. And take a look at the sentence below, which contains nominal class word reduplication. And then methods. This research is descriptive and qualitative, which means this research is carried based off the fact of linguistic phonema and the ability left in the speakers. Therefore, the result in a fake language that behaves as is protected. The data is sentence which contain word reduplication. Result is Anthology of Indonesia Short Story selected by Yayasan Luntar, which was published in 2017 by Amanah in Jakarta. Data collecting technique used in the research in reading method because the data obtained by reading anthology cerpen Indonesia. The next methods are free talk, listening method, and not talking method. Since the data is present by reading without getting involved in verbal. And then communication science, the data is written. This is called not talking method because it's called data is not and is classified according to the original research objective. And then last conclusion. From the discussion in Anthology of Indonesia Short Story selected by Yayasan Lontars, 5 category classes of word reduplication are found, which are nominal, verbal, adjective, adverbial, and conjunctive. Thank you, guys.